What's the meaning of bowline? Bowline. Bowline.
Bowline. Bowline. A bowline is a type of knot commonly used in sailing, rock climbing, and other outdoor activities. It's a fixed loop that won't slip or come undone under load, making it a reliable choice for securing ropes to objects or tying them together. The knot is formed by creating a loop in the rope, passing the end through the loop, and then around behind the standing part before reinserting the end back into the original loop. The resulting knot creates a secure loop that can be used to attach the rope to an object or another rope, making it a versatile and useful knot in many situations.